coffee, burning through the hours talking.
Everyone, so we're here in our locality, which is the Caluwayan, Marabut, Samar. So before we proceed to our first destination, which is the Colan Island Resort and Restaurant, we would like to tell you first the content of this vlog. So this kind of vlog is a nature vlogging. We will feature the nature and beauty of different tourist destinations that can be seen here in Marabut. So since this is a nature vlogging, we decided to walk from here to Caluwayan Island Resort and Restaurant because we care for the environment, and we all know that tricycle releases smoke that can damage our environment, specifically our ozone layer.
Hello mga kahakdog!
It will take 5 minutes to reach Caluwayan Island Resort.
Yes! Excited!
Come on guys! We're so excited! Yes! Mga kahakdog, let's go!
Hello mga kahakdog!
After 5 minutes, we're already here in
Caluwayan Island Resort and Restaurant! Welcome guys!
Hello mga kahakdog, they have here a big Christmas tree. There's a lot of stars here, and as what you can see, they have here also a fish ponds which consist a lot of koi fishes, beautiful koi fishes. Hey, hey. Mga kahakdog, to turn you around in Salud Authentic way. So come here guys. So guys, as what you can see, they have here a big Christmas tree. What a wonderful Salud Authentic ride. And they have here a beautiful chair where everyone will enjoy. Hello guys! And you will feel the Christmas because they have here stars. So that's all here in Salud Authentic ride. Love you!
So here we go guys. Tara.
Hi mga kahakdog.
Dito talaga siya guys. Here we go. Guys, so there's a stop of Caluwayan Island Beach Resort. And
Hi Kuya Judy!
this is Kuya Judy. Hello. Hello.
Say hi to mga
Hi for our vlog.
hi mga kahakdog here.
Hotdog ko no?
Dog.
Half dog. Say it again. Half dog. Oh, very good. They're
So
full.
this is the swimming pool of Caluwayan Island.
And this is
the falling water.
3 feet.
Falls.
Falls. And the shower. There is
also
the benches.
beautiful benches here in the side of pool.
I'll tour you around here.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang. Come on, turn your radio
To visit in Colan Island Resort and Restaurant because they have here a beautiful scenery, and it's what you can say, they have here a very clean pool and a falls also, which is consists of 3 feet, and you will be relieved because of the beautiful benches here near the swimming pool. Bye bye. vlogging here in Colan Island Resort and Restaurant. So we decided to go out. So mga kahakdog, see you in
second
our
day.
second destination.
The second day or the
Bye-bye.
second destination.
And here is the gate pass.
We're back.
Yeah, guys, so
We're here our second destination, which is the Marabut Beach Resort. So, mga kahakdog,
And now we are here at our second destination, which is Marine or Marabut Beach Resort. And let's enjoy and have some fun. Let's go.
Bright lights, fancy restaurants.
Hello mga kahakdog, as what you can see in our position, there's a lot of garbages here, dried leaves. Since this vlog is a nature vlogging, we decided to pick this and put it in a
Garbage bag.
garbage
Yes.
bag.
because we care in our environment.
Thank you. Bye. See you.
hi mga kahakdog, we already done the second destination, which is this part of Marine Park, and we proceed to another destination, which is cave. Before we going to cave, we just gonna walk
Because we don't have transportation.
yes, and we don't have a service for
We don't have
to
enough money
going
for that.
there.
So guys,
So
Goodbye, guys.
You know
See you
what?
to the
I'm
next
so
destination.
tired mga kahakdog. So see you later. Bye.
bye.
I'm gonna take a rest.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
So hello mga kahakdog. Here we go in Tinabanan Cave. So
Come on,
let's
Hey,
go.
what's up? Are you
What's
still
up,
alive?
Yeah.
So let's go. I'm so excited.
Pustaanay. Kaya masakang
Come on, guys.
What's up mga kahakdog?
Come on, mga kahakdog. Let's see a lot of different formations. There. Let's see what behind of this is. Be careful, guys. We just be careful because there's so many can be like we have also a
They preserve the bats. Ano po yung shit bat?
yeah, it's correct.
As you can see, this was so creepy.
Oh, we have one. There's someone that coming here. What is that? Oh my god. I'm so scared. Mga kahakdog. Yeah. Go, Dolores. Fighting. We can make it. We have one.
Tama na itong yun.
What's up mga kahakdog? We're already done the third destination, which is this cave of Tinabanan, Marabut, Samar. See you the next vlog. Bye bye mga kahakdog.
Up mga kahakdog.
This is the second day of our nature vlogging, and welcome to
Torbeles, New Park, Beach Resort.
Resort.
Welcome mga kahakdog. Let's go. So mga kahakdog, this is the view of Torbeles. So come on mga kahakdog. They have also a cottages, 2, 4, 4, 6, 7. They have 7 cottages. So this is the Torbeles Beach Resort. They have also a duyan. 3 duyan. So this is mga hotdog. They have also a paalala, bawal magtapon ng basura sa dagat. Itapon dito. So that's all mga kahakdog, the Torbeles Beach Resort.
I am Ranlene Asco.
I am Joanna May and Navia.
And we are the Team 2 that is assigned to climb mountains and to feature what mountain made of and find problems and solution also. Thank you.
We are here at Barangay Tinabanan.
At Talipapa, and we are waiting for vehicles called Habal Habal. Okay. And we are here at 90 kilometers.
Maybe we're perfect strangers. Maybe it's not for better. Maybe the network changes. Maybe we'll stay together. Perfect strangers.
Okay. Wow. So beautiful.
Place that we are staying in. House of Galing. And wow, it's so amazing. It's so awesome. It's so cold in here in night. And oh my gosh. And this is my favorite pillows. And I'll bring this here because this is my favorite pillow. Oh my gosh. And after this, we are taking breakfast, which is sinangag rice. Right, this is my favorite sinangag.
We are going to be hit, and it's almost 3 kilometers, and we are just only walking. My God. But I am excited because a lot of people says that it is a beautiful and sacred place. open your eyes and see the beauty of a beautiful river called Hihit.